Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful 3D blanket stitch. It's only 2 rows repeating. 1 row is double crochet, 1 row is this 3D effects. You use only double crochets and half double crochet. It's so simple, you can see that, and so 3D, but it's a little yarn eater. Okay, but I like it. It's different looking and so beautiful. You can see that this is back side. It's not reversible, but you can use this pattern, for example, one line on your baby blanket. Maybe put somewhere this 3D effect. Maybe you can put squares like patchwork. It's your choice, but it's so gorgeous, I think, and so simple. It's so important. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful 3D baby blanket. Let's start to crochet. I use middle thickness size 3 yarn. You can use which yarn you want, especially it's proper to using in blankets or throws. You can use which you want, and I use 4mm hook with this yarn. We need for this pattern multiples of 4 plus 2 chains. First of all, make a slip knot, then make my chains 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. I want to show you a sample, so it's enough for me. Plus 2, yarn over and turn my chains. You can see that back loops. I will skip 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Count this chain 3 as my first double crochet. This is second one. Yarn over, insert the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert this back loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double crochet, and we have at the end like this clear looking if you work with these back loops. I will make a double crochet in every back loop. I complete my row after turn 2. I have 24 double crochet. You will make your chains after measure it. If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter chains. If you want to make a throw, you need minimum 110 or 120 centimeters. But be careful, you need multiples of 4 plus 2 chains. Okay, this is our first row. Chain 3 and turn your work. I give 2 double crochet for the right side, 2 double crochet for the left side. You can see here. Not start the pattern from the beginning and the end. I give this sides to, if you want to make border on it, you can do that easily. So chain 3, count as my first double, yarn over, insert into the second one, and make 1 more double crochet. We made here 2 double crochet. Now 1 2 3 4 chains. Skip 1 2 3, come to 4th double and insert my hook as front post like that. Grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. That's the point here. Chain 2 and turn my work, and I work with this chain 4. Yarn over, insert that chain 4 space and make here 6 half double crochet. Grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. 1 2 3 4, 5 and 6. Then turn my work front side. Yarn over. You know we skip here 3. Come to first skip stitch. Grab my yarn and make double crochet. 1. Yarn over, insert the next one. 2. Yarn over, insert the third one now. 3. This is my front post single crochet. Insert that fourth stitch and make double crochet. I make here 4 double and make here 6 half double. I will show you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3 double. Come to fourth one. As front post, I insert my hook. Grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. 1, 2 chains and turn your work. Work with this chain 4. Yarn over and make here 6 half double. Insert, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over, turn to the front side and insert our first skip stitch here. Make double on it. 1. Yarn over, insert the second skip. 2. Yarn over, insert the third skip. 3. Yarn over, insert that front post single crochet stitch here. 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. If it comes so fast, you can play my video speed here, 3 dots, push here and you can find speed button and decrease my speed. Then skip 1, 2, 3, come to fourth one as front post. Grab my yarn, join with a single crochet. 1 and 2 chains and turn your work. Work with this chain 4. Yarn over, insert that space, grab my yarn, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn my projects front side. Yarn over. Here we skip stitch. Insert the first skip. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1. Insert the next one. 2. Insert the third one. 3. And fourth one is your front post single crochet stitch. Make 4 double here and complete the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, skip, come to fourth one, join with a front post single crochet. 1 and 2 chains and turn. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn to the front side. Yarn over, insert the first skip, 1 double, next one, second double, next one, third double, and the fourth one on the front post single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the fourth one as front post. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2 chains and turn to the back side. Yarn over, insert chain, 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I make here 6 half double, but if your yarn more thicker than mine, so you can make it 4 or 5. Yarn over, then turn back to front side. Insert the first skip stitch and make double. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, next one, 4. Left here 2 stitch, make 2 double crochet for the left side. here. Now second row, 1, 2, 3 chains and turn. We will make a double crochet in every each stitch. 1, next one, 2. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. Not make any double crochet on this half double crochet stitch. Come to here, this double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete this set. Come to next set. 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. 4. Not make half doubles. Come to double crochet stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete this set. Come to next. This first double. 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. 4. And this is sides. You can see that only make double crochet stop, make double crochet. 1 and 2. Complete the second row. Only you will repeat these 2 rows. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Count as first double. Insert the second one. Make your sides double. Then again do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3. Come to fourth one. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2 chains and turn your work. Then make here 6 half double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Turn to the front side, yarn over, insert the first skip. 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is your front post single crochet stitch. 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 3, come to fourth one, join with a single crochet, chain 2 and make 6 half double. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet you will make. After that row you will make a double crochet in every each stitch. That's it. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating. When you finish that, it looks like this beautiful looking. I hope you like it. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.